Still dragging clips manually like it's 2015? That's cute. I don't touch video editors. I write code, and it builds the video for me. In fact, this entire intro is just a React component. Want to build it? Let's cook. Listen up. We are about to build an infinite motion graphics engine. It's free, it's unlimited, and you own it forever. First, grab the source code. The link is in the description. It's on my Patreon. Download the zip file, extract it. Don't be messy. Now click the address bar, type CMD, and hit enter. Type npm install. Wait, if you don't have Node.js installed in 2026, what are you doing with your life? Go Google it, install it, then come back. I'll wait. Okay, packages installed? Good. Now you want to control the matrix? Go to the src folder and open root.tsx. This is your control center. Want a 60 FPS smooth animation? Change it here. Want a longer video? Change the duration frames. You are the boss. Now let's generate the visuals. I told you we don't design manually, we use AI. Go to ChatGPT, tell it your idea, but don't just say make a video. That's weak. Tell it act like a senior motion designer with 20 years of experience. Give me a concept for a $1,000 motion graphic. We aren't writing code yet, we just want the vision. Now for the real magic. Go to LM Arena. That allows you to use Pro models for free. Select Gemini 3 Pro or the Claude Opus 4.5 thinking model. You need that massive reasoning power for this. Inside the zip file I gave you, there's a text file called prompt.txt. This is my secret weapon. Copy everything in that file, paste it into the LM Arena chat first, then paste your design concept from ChatGPT right under it. Hit send and watch it write the React code for you. Boom, it gave you the code. Copy it, go back to your project, go to src folder and find myvideo.tsx. Delete the old junk, paste the new code, save the file, Control S, don't forget it. Now let's bake this cake. Go back to your terminal, type npm run build. Wait a few seconds. Check the out folder. There's your video. Crispy, high quality, and created with zero editing. One last tip, if you mess up and get errors, don't cry, just delete the unzipped folder, extract the original zip file again, and start fresh. It's an infinite loop of content. If you want this exact setup and that secret prompt, the link is on my Patreon. Subscribe if you want more cheat codes. Go build something cool. Peace.